Meaning of grapeshot.
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 Grapeshot. The term grapeshot originally referred to a type of projectile used in artillery, consisting of small metal balls that were fired in a cluster. When fired, the balls would scatter, creating a deadly and indiscriminate hail of shrapnel that could cause extensive damage to enemy lines. In a broader sense, grapeshot can be used to describe any kind of attack that is designed to hit multiple targets at once, with the aim of inflicting maximum damage in one fell swoop. Overall, grapeshot is a term that connotes violence, chaos, and devastation.